Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to dive into video sharing with a professional edge, creating a Vimeo channel is a fantastic choice. Today, in 2025, we're walking through the simple steps to set one up. Vimeo is known for its high-quality video hosting and creator-friendly tools, making it perfect for filmmakers, businesses, and hobbyists alike. Let's get started. First things first, head over to vimeo.com. You'll see a prominent Sign Up button. Click that to begin. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a username. Make sure your username is memorable and reflects your brand for easy recognition. Once you've signed up, Vimeo will send a verification email to your inbox. Check your spam folder if you don't see it right away, then click the verification link to activate your account. Now, it's time to customize your channel. Go to your dashboard and upload a profile picture and a banner image. These help make your channel look professional and inviting. Next, explore the settings to tweak your privacy options. Vimeo offers flexible choices, like making videos public, private, or password protected, which is great for controlling who sees your content. Don't forget to add a bio that describes you or your business. It helps viewers connect with you. A quick tip for 2025. Vimeo's new AI features can help you tag and categorize your videos automatically, saving you time. Once your channel is set up, start uploading your first video and engage with the community by following other creators. There you have it. Creating a Vimeo channel is straightforward and opens up a world of creative possibilities. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.